Hi guys, welcome back to Zane's Time. Today I'm going to show you my Tim Hortons collections. They're like a collection. It's like a locker room. We got Crosby, we got Price, we got Martyr, we got Vetri, we got McKinnon, and McGill. This is the full set. I got all 6. And I'm going to show you them. So with Cindy, this is Cindy Crosby. This is what it looks like on the outside. And then if we open it, if I just open this thing, this is what it's like. So it shows like a bit about Cindy. He's got like his like a locker room, like his jersey, and it says on the top, on the top his name. And then it's got a replica of the stick he uses when he plays his game. Unfortunately, Pittsburgh is out of the playoffs this year. Montreal defeated them, so yeah, but that's Cindy Crosby. This is the outside, to the back. Pretty cool. And now, move on to our second one, Carey Price. Now he's a goaltender. That's him, he plays in Montreal. If I open this up, same thing, it shows about him. It's got his jersey, it's got up there, and then his actual stick he uses playing goaltender. Right there. It actually is cool. I think they're $6 each at Tim Hortons. They're $6 each, but I think I like them, and yeah. So now let's move on to Mitch Marner. That's him. If we open this up, it's again a picture of him and a little bit about him. We got his jersey and up there his name, and then we got his actual stick. That's it. It's a Bauer. Yeah, it's a Bauer cool stick. They are a little expensive, $6. But if we go this week, you get like they have every one, so you can choose. And we went this week, so we can get all of them. But now, I'm going to move on to Alexander Ovechkin. He's the grade 8, everyone says. That's the front. And if I open it, it's got like the same thing. It's got a picture of him, a bit about him, his height and all that stuff. And then we got his jersey, he's got his name, and then his actual stick again. This is a pretty cool stick. It's taped, everything. This is a replica, so it's like a not. So you gotta be a little bit gentle with these, because like this is not like a real hockey stick. This is just a replica of a stick he actually uses while playing hockey. Unfortunately, they're out of the playoffs as well this year. Let's grab Nathan McKinnon from Colorado. That's the front. And then if we open this, that's him on the inside. So that's a little picture about him. And we got his jersey here, the actual jersey he uses, but just a picture. We got his name and then his actual stick that you can take out of the little spot and show it like that. That's a CCM stick. It's taped black. Looks like this. And you just put that stick back. And then I'll like show you the rest. There's one more left. We got one more, and it's number 97, Connor McDavid. And then if we bust this open, this is the inside. So we got a picture of him. It tells you a little bit about him. We got his jersey, a picture, and we got his name, and then we also got his hockey stick, which is cool. I like his stick because like it's taped blue on the top, and it's like cool yellow texture. The actual stick is taped white here. And that will do it for this video. Subscribe and leave a like, and I'll show you some of my other sets of stuff. And you can see more stuff coming out on Zane's Time. And this is my Tim Hortons hockey collection you can get here. subscribe and leave a like to my channel, and drop a like. See a part 2 of some packing codes or stuff. Anything like a collection, anything of a collection, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.